Hello everyone, today we are comparing OnePlus Pad Lite, Redmi Pad 2 and Vivo Pad 5. Let's see this full video. First compare the body features. Display features. OnePlus Pad Lite and Redmi Pad 2 come with 11 inches IPS LCD display, and the Vivo Pad 5 comes with 12.1 inches IPS LCD display. Next, compare the hardware features. All three tablets are powered by the MediaTek chipset. Camera features. OnePlus Pad Lite comes with 5 megapixel rear camera and 5 megapixel front camera. And the Redmi Pad 2 and Vivo Pad 5 come with 8 megapixel rear camera and 5 megapixel front camera. Let's compare the battery features. Next, compare the sound and other features. We hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe.